only way you could get points was not only to beat the people on the TV, but you had to beat each other. Aha. You're one of most of the game. When I was younger, pick up your signaling device now, buddy. You have some answers.
I think he was about there.
U.S. News for 200. Answer. 747 reasons
He
to
crawled right on her neck when she
the
talked to me.
E6 Acabo and a little thing called Air Force One. Buddy, one Boeing. Yeah.